Hello everyone, good afternoon to all. Okay, so I have launched the technical polls. Just respond in the technical polls whether my voice is clear to all or not, and my screen is visible clearly or not. Yes, everyone respond to the polls. Yes. Okay, so I hope this is good to start your class. So what we are going to do today? I'm ending the board. Is everyone ready? Basically, it's a quiz session, and we'll discuss the previous year questions of JEE Mains comes from the topic straight line. Okay. Sure. So let's start. Welcome to the class, everyone. And we're going to start our previous year questions of the topic that is straight line. Okay. So let's discuss from the first question. So what is the first questions? Yeah. In your screen, you can see this is your first questions. And for these questions also, I'm giving you 1 minute for these questions. Sorry, 2 minutes. Let's take 2 minutes for these questions and try to solve it. And when you are getting the answer, just respond in the chat box. Your time starts now. Guys, solve quickly. So how many of you got the answer for these questions? Anyone? Time to solve the questions. Okay, let me check once. Just a minute, right? Okay, no issues. Let's solve the questions. What he is asking in the question, let the point P, let the point P, whose coordinates is alpha beta, be at a unit distance from each of the two lines of L1, whose equation is 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So and L2 whose equation is 8x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. And P lies below L1 and above L2. Then you have to find 100 into alpha plus beta is equal to. Clear? Okay. So what is given in the question? Let's discuss. So if I'll draw the figure first, I already told you when you are going to solve the questions from coordinate geometry and or conic section, first duty is draw the figure. Okay. So first of all, I'm making the coordinate axis. Okay. So he's saying ki if phi alpha be the unit distance from each of the line L1 and L2, L1 and L2. Okay, if L1 means if I'll put y is equal to 0, then x will be 4, right? So that means the line will be L1. The equation of L1 will be like this. Suppose this is my equation L1. Okay, then about the L2, equation of L2, if I'll put y is equal to 0, then x will be 11 upon 8, something like that. The equation will be like this. Suppose this is my L2. Okay. This is my L2. And he's also saying P be the point which is equidistance or unit distance from L1 and L2, and P is lying below L1 and above L2, right? So see, suppose this point is my P. This point is my P. That means I can say if I'll draw the perpendicular distance from this point to this line, and if I'll draw the perpendicular distance from this point to this line, then these lengths will be same. Yes or no? Am I clear? Is that clear or not? Okay, that means P is the point whose coordinates is alpha beta, which is lying on the equation of angle bisector. Yes or no? Because P is the point which is equidistant from L1 and L2, right? And also P is lying below L1 and above L2. That means P is the point which is lying along the bisector, equation by angle bisector of equation of angle bisector, right? So if I'll draw the equation of angle bisector, it will be like this. So let's say half. This is the line where P is lying. Okay, so these are the information given to us. Okay, guys. Okay. That okay. If this is the equation of angle bisector, so the equation of L1 is, that is 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation 1, and the equation of L2 is 8x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. 8x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0, right? Then okay, so if I'll ask you to find the perpendicular distance from the point P to L1 and from point P to L2, those distance will be same or not? Yes, the distance will be same. So what is the formula to get the perpendicular distance? You know, everyone. Is that clear or not? Yes. So just put that. So what I'm doing, mod of 3 alpha minus 4 beta plus 12 upon root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to from this point to this line also. That is mod of 8 alpha plus 6 beta plus 11 upon root of 8 square upon plus 6 square. Yes or no? That is, if we'll simplify this, what we'll get? And also, this is the angle bisector contains the origin, containing the origin. Why? Because it is containing the origin. Because P is the line, P is the point which is lying below L1 and above L2. That means that is the region which contains the origin. Yes or no? That is the reason. This is the reason which contains the origin. That means this no need to take any modulus in here also, because these values will be positive. Yes or no? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Because this angle bisector containing the origin. Okay. So if I'll simplify 3 alpha minus 4 beta plus 12 upon 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25 and 5 is equal to 8 alpha plus 6 beta plus 11, 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36 is 100, that is 10. Yes. Now, if we'll simplify it also, further simplify, then what we'll get? That is 2 into 6, 3 alpha, that is 6 alpha minus 8 beta plus 24 plus 24 is equal to 8 alpha plus 6 beta plus 11. Right? So just simplify it and you will get an equation, that is 8 alpha minus 6 alpha, that is 2 alpha, 6 alpha plus 8 alpha, that is 14 beta is equal to, I am getting 24 minus 11, that is 13. Yes. So this is the first equation. I'm getting the relation between alpha and beta. This is the first equation. And we know P is the point which is lying a unit distance from the L1 and also L2. If you'll try to find P, the distance, perpendicular distance from P to L1, then what will happen? Let's see. What will happen? Simple, na? Kya ho jayega? That is mod of mod. We don't need to take any mod because P is the point or the area, or it is lying on the equation of angle bisector, and also it is containing the origin. So from the perpendicular distance from point P to L will be 3 alpha minus 4 beta. So 3 alpha minus 4 beta plus 12 divided by on root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to what? That is actually what is that? 1. It is given that it is 1 unit distance from the line L1. Then if we'll solve it, what will get? We'll get 3 alpha minus 4 beta. So 3 alpha minus 4 beta plus 12 is equal to 5. Is that or not? So simply we can write here, this is actually 3 alpha minus 4 beta is equal to minus 7. So this is my equation 2. So if we will solve the equation 1 and 2 by solving equation 1 and 2. What you are getting here? So solve it. That is 2 alpha plus 14 beta is equal to 13, and 3 alpha minus 4 beta is equal to minus 7. So multiply in the first equation 3 on both sides, and multiply in the second equation 2 on both sides. After multiplying, solve these two equations. So what you are getting? 6 alpha, 6 alpha, 6 alpha. If I'll subtract from equation 1 to 2, so 6 alpha, 6 alpha will be cancel out. Then 42 beta plus 8 beta, that is 50 beta. I'm getting, that is 26 plus 14. 26 plus 14 is 40. Yes or no? 26 plus, yes, 30, so 39 plus 14. 39 plus 14, that is 43. Okay, so 43, right? So by solving, we are getting 43. 39 plus 14 is 53. Okay, so beta is equal to, nobody is present here. Okay, so beta is equal to 53 by 50. Clear? So the value of beta you are getting, that is 53 by 50. So by put the value of beta here. If you put the value of beta here, so 3 alpha is equal to minus 7 plus 4 into, that is 53 upon 50. So by solving it, you will get alpha is equal to minus 23 upon 25. So finally, you are getting the value of alpha and beta, that is minus 23 by 5, 25 minus 23 by 25 and 43 by 50. Sorry, 53 by 50, no? Yes. What is that actually? 53 by 50. Yes. Now you got the value of alpha and beta. Just put the value of alpha and beta here. 100 into, you are asked to find the value of 100 into alpha plus beta. So that is, now the required answer is 100 into alpha plus beta, that is minus 23 upon 25 plus 53 upon 50. Solve it, and what is the answer you are getting? That is the answer. Okay. So if you solve it, this will be 50 and this will be 46. Minus 46 plus 53. 2, that is minus 46 is for the 7. 7 into 2, 14 is the answer. Your answer, correct answer is 14. Here guys, your correct answer is 14. Option D is the correct one. I hope this is clear to everyone, guys. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Clear? So if you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. This is a very important questions. How we can solve the questions of JEE Mains. Right? It's a question from 2022 JEE Mains 25th July. Second shift में आया हुआ question. ठीक है? Clear? Everyone clear this question? Is there any doubt? You can ask. Okay. Shall I move? Let's move to the next question. This is the answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question also. And for this question also, I'm giving you 2 minutes. And your time starts now. Just solve it. Yes. Hmm. It's very simple question. 2022 30th June morning shift में आया हुआ question है. You can solve it easily. Clear? Okay, so it's time to solve these questions. Let's solve. So it is given that in the question, if alpha 1 and alpha 2, and where alpha 1 is less than alpha 2, be the values of alpha for the points alpha minus 3, 2, 0, 1 alpha to be collinear, right? Then the equation of line passing through the point alpha 1, alpha 2, and making an angle pi by 3 with positive direction of x-axis. Then you have to find the equation of line. It's a very easy question. You can solve it easily also. Let's solve this question. Okay. So it is given that there are 3 points given. First one is alpha minus 3. Second point is 2, 0. And third one is 1 alpha. Okay. Suppose these points are A, B, C. And it is also given that the equation of line passing through alpha 1 and alpha 2. Okay. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 and making an angle of pi by 3 with positive x-axis. Suppose this is the line passing through the point alpha and 1 alpha 2 and making pi by 3. Line should be not this like this. Okay, pi by 3, and it is also passing through the point alpha 1. It is given that it's passing through a point alpha 1 alpha 2, and it is making an angle pi by 3 with positive x-axis. Okay, what is given? The equation of line passing through the point alpha 1 and alpha 2 and making an angle of pi by 3 with positive x-axis. Okay, so simple thing. You can hear how we can find alpha 1 and alpha 2. First thing. Okay, so we know AB and BC are collinear. So that means ABC are collinear. The point A, B, and C are collinear. That means slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Yes or no? So if you find slope of AB, so what you will get? That is 0 minus 3, 0 minus of minus 3, that is 3 upon, sorry, and 0 minus alpha, that is minus alpha. Sorry, 2 minus alpha, no? Sorry. 2 minus alpha. Then is equal to slope of BC, that is alpha minus 0, alpha upon 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. If you cross multiply these two, what you will get? That is, I'm getting 2 alpha minus alpha square is equal to minus 3. Yes. So here I'm getting a quadratic equation. Alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. So by factorizing this quadratic expression, what you are getting? Alpha square minus 3. No? Sorry. The factorizing this quadratic equation, we are getting alpha plus 1 into alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we are getting the values of alpha are either it is minus 1 or minus 3. Alpha plus 1 into alpha minus 3. No? Okay, so you are getting the values of alpha as minus 1 or plus 3. And we know it is given in the question that alpha 1 is less than alpha 2. That means alpha 1 becomes minus 1 and alpha 2 becomes 3. Now, the line passing through the point alpha 1, alpha 2, the line passing through the point minus 1, minus 3, and it's making an angle pi by 3 with the positive x-axis, right? With the positive x-axis, that is pi by 3, right? And having the slope root 3. Tan of pi by 3 is root 3. Yes or no? Yes. So, because tan of pi by 3, slope is equal. That is root 3. So, by using the slope point form, the equation will be y minus 3 is equal to root 3 into x minus of minus 1, that is x plus 1. So, equation will be root 3x minus y, root 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, this is the required equation. This is the required equation. Let's check with the match with the option root 3x minus y. Root 3x minus y plus, sorry, what is the answer we are getting? Oh, sorry. I'm adding these two. That is root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3x plus root 3 to root 3 minus, okay. So we can directly write here minus root 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus root 3 minus 3. Root 3x minus y plus root 3 minus 3 plus root 3 minus 3. Just wait. Root 3 x. So, take it. Root 3 plus root 3 x minus y plus 3 plus root 3. सही तो है, कहाँ गलती हो गया? Root 3x minus y plus root 3. Let's check the answer. Root 3x minus y plus root 3 plus, सही तो है हमारा? That's okay. This is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. So let's move to the next question here. It's also from the question of 2022 JEE Mains. Oh, in the question it is asking the distance of the origin from the centroid of the triangle whose two sides of the equation x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, whose orthocenter is 7/3 and 7/3. Okay. Chalo, okay. I'm giving you for these questions also 2 minutes. Just solve it. The time starts in You two guys, you can respond in the chat box also when you are getting the answer. It's actually lengthy question. Let's just solve it. Huh? Not lengthy. Let's solve. Huh? Okay, so chalo, it's time to start the question, solution of this question. Okay, so in the question is asking the distance of the origin from the centroid of the triangle. You need to find the distance from the origin to the centroid. Okay, of the triangle sides of the equation x minus 2y minus plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and whose orthocenter is given as also, that is 7 by 3. So let's draw the figure first. Okay, just draw the figure first. Okay, suppose this point is my A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay, so it is given that the orthocenter is 7 by 3 and 7 by 3. That means what is orthocenter? The intersection of all the altitude. Intersection of all the altitude. Let's draw all that altitude. Okay, so this point is given as 7 by 3, 7 by 3. So, orthocenter. Okay, so suppose this point is H. Okay, and also it is given that also the equation of sides, two sides. One is 2x minus y plus minus 1. 2x minus y minus 1. 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Another equation is given as, that is x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so you need to find the distance from origin to the centroid. So to find the centroid, we need to find the coordinate of all vertices of the triangle. है ना, ट्राइंगल के सारे पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट मुझे निकालना चाहिए to find the centroid. Is that or not? Yes. So just first find the coordinates of the point A. How we can find the coordinates point of the point A? By just solving the those given equations. By solving equation of AB and AC. So simple, 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and also it is given as x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you will multiply 2 with the second equation, then what is will be the solution? That is subtract from this to this, we will get minus y plus 4y, that is 3y minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 is equal to 0. I'm getting the coordinate of y as 1. So by putting y in the first equation, what we are getting? Also we are getting x is equal to 1. Okay. So the coordinate of the point A is 1, 1. Simple. And the coordinate of point A is 1, 1. Now. Okay. Now, how can we find the coordinate of point B? The similar questions also we have discussed in the last class. So if you know the equation of AB is 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then also you have the altitude from the point C to the line AB. And these two lines, AB and C, suppose this point is M. Okay. AB is perpendicular to CM. Then slope of AB into CM, slope of CM is equal to -1. Yes or no? Clear? So when we know what is the slope of AB? The slope of AB is minus a by 2, that is minus 2 upon -1, that is 2. Slope of AB is 2. Then 2 into slope of CM, that slope of CM will be -1 upon 2. तो CM की जो slope है, that comes out to be, so that is actually -1 upon 2. Clear? -1 upon 2. And also, you know, this line is passing through the point 7/3 and 7/3. Is that clear? Yes or no? Then what is the equation of CM? Then equator of CM is y minus 7/3 is equal to -1/2 x minus 7/3. Just solve it and you will get the equation of CM. Right? Equation of CM. So, equation of CM. So then it will be 3y minus 7 upon 3, that is minus x by 2 plus 7/6. Okay. Just simplify it and you will get the equation. That is, it will be 3y minus 7/3 is equal to 6 minus 3x plus 7, and this becomes 2. So 6y minus 14 is equal to minus 3x plus 7. That is 3x plus 6y, 3x plus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0. The equation of CM. The equation of CM becomes okay. Also, we again simplify it. Just take 3 as just divide 3 on both sides. You will get x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. है ना? Is that clear or not? So check whether its slope is -1/2. Okay, its slope is -1/2. Where we have done wrong. -1/2 -1/2 product should not be 1. This should be -1, no? So somewhere we have done a mistake. Y minus y1 7/3, that is -1/2. Slope is -1/2. Is that clear? 2x minus y minus 1, that is minus a minus 2 upon b, that is -1. -2 upon b. So -1 to 2. So 2 is -1/2. सही है. That is slope हो गया इसका -1/2. -1/2 तो 3y minus 7 upon 3, and this becomes minus x by 2 plus 7/6. Clear? Okay. Then this becomes 3y minus 7 is equal to minus 3x plus 7 by 6. So 3, 2. 6y plus minus 14 is equal to, oh, this is x, 3x. So this becomes 6y minus 14 is equal to minus 3x plus 7. So 3x plus 6y, 3x plus 6y plus 14. Somewhere we are doing mistake. Okay, let's check again. Slope is question of village. 2y, just a minute. Minus 2. Somewhere we are doing mistake. Minus 2 upon minus 1. That is 2, na? Yes, minus 2 upon minus 1. That is 2. Yes. So 2 into slope of CM. That is minus 1. Clear? So slope of CM will be minus 1 upon psi to hai. So y minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 7x minus 7 by 3. So correct. Then 3y minus 7 by 3. So where we are doing mistake, guys. So just I'm telling you process because we don't have many more time. Just I'm telling you what is the process. Okay. So just check it where I've done mistake actually. So simply you need to find the slope of this line. So here minus 1 by 2 into 2, that is minus 1. So and somewhere in the calculations we did mistake. 3y minus 3, 3y minus 7, that is minus x upon 2 plus 7 by 6, correct? Just here, from here, I'm doing it again. Just so this becomes 3y upon 3, that is y, minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus x upon 2 plus 7 by 6. Okay. So y plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 6 plus 7 by 3, which is equal to 6. 7 plus 14. Okay. And this becomes 2y plus x. 2y plus x by 2 is equal to, this is actually 21 upon 6. So 3, that is, yes, 2y plus x is equal to 7. So this becomes x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now it is correct. Right? So minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 2. That is correct. Okay. This is the equation of, now tell me, this is the equation of this line CM. This is the equation of CM. So by solving the equation of CM, by solving equation of CM and what is, by solving equation of CM and AC, you'll get the coordinate of C. Okay. AC, you'll get the coordinate of C. So AC equation is x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the equation of CM is x plus 2y minus 7. X plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. By solving these two, adding to 2x, I am getting 2x is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to, I am getting 1 by, so x is equal to, I am getting 3. And when x is equal to 3, by putting x is equal to 3, we are getting 2y is equal to 4. That is y is equal to 2. So coordinate of C becomes 2, 3. Sorry, 3, 2. 3, 2. Similarly, try to find the equation of Bn. Suppose this point is n. Try to find the equation of Bn. Equation of Bn find out karo. Then and solve the equation of AB. Solve equation of Bn and AB. You will get the coordinate of B. So the coordinate of B will be 2, 3. So now we can easily find the centroid. So what will be the centroid? The centroid is, that is, all the first coordinate of all the vertices, that is 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, comma, and also 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. Same thing. The centroid becomes 6 upon 3, that is 2. 2, 2. The centroid becomes 2, 2. And we need to distance from origin to center. Centroid. That is distance from origin to center is on root of 2 minus 0 square, that is 2 square plus 2 square, that is on root of 8, that is 2 root 2. So answer is 2 root 2. Clear? So correct option is, answer is 2 root 2. Okay, option C is your correct answer. Clear? Okay, come to the next question. Oh, okay. This is the answer, 2 root 2. Okay. Come to the next question, that is, here it is given that the distance between the 2 points A and A dash, which lie on y is equal to 2. Okay, such that both the line segment AB and A dash B, where B is the point 2, 3, subtend angle pi by 4 at the origin. So how we can find the distance between the points A and A dash? Okay, it's actually a lengthy questions also. We don't have time. Let's discuss this method. Okay, just I'm doing the figure first. See, it is given that A and A dash are the two points. Those are lying at the line, on the line y is equal to 2. This is the line y is equal to 2. Suppose this point is my A dash and this point is A. Okay, and it is asking, suppose you have a point B here and whose coordinate is 2, 3, then if you join from origin to A dash and origin to B, and it is given that, it is also given that the angle between, see here, B is the point, such that both the line segment AB and A dash B subtend angle pi by 4 at origin. AB and A dash B, AB and A dash B subtend angle at pi by 4. That means this angle is also pi by 4. This is the angle which is also pi by 4. this is the figure first, and this is my origin. Okay, so if you'll take the first, we will take the first figure. Suppose I am taking the OAB wala portions. Okay, I am taking OAB wala figure. This is my point O, this is point BA, and this is point B, and this is angle pi by 4. Then if I'll ask you to find the slope of the line OB, to find the slope of the line OB. So M1. Suppose this is M1. So how can you solve? Because this is the line which is originated from origin. That means slope will be, so M1 will be y upon x, because it is starting from origin, and y upon x. So y, what is y here? That is 3 upon 2. So M1 becomes 3 upon 2. Okay, M1 becomes 3 upon 2. So what is M2? M2 is equal to also tan pi by 4. Odd A dash. If I'll ask you to find the slope of OA dash, that is also tan of pi by 4. And M2 will be, how we can find M2? That is simply, if we ask you, this is the this is the line A dash B with subtend angle at origin pi by 4, and AB is the line which angle subtend angle pi by 4. So tan of pi by 4 will be M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 into M2. So by solving this, we'll get, we know this is 1. We feel क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अगर हम मॉडुलस को हटा देंगे तो क्या मिल लग जाएगा, ये मतलब प्लस और माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू M1 इज गिवन दैट 3/2 minus M2 upon 1 in plus 3/2 M2. So by solving these two equations, I am getting two slopes. One is M2, first one is 1/5, or M2 is -5. Okay, so two slopes I am getting now. Okay, so now if I am getting two slopes, M2, M2. Okay, so now let me discuss with you. So M2 will be y upon x also. That is, we know what is y. That is 2 upon x. Okay, so if we'll equate these equations, what I'm getting, that is x is equal to this already I'm getting. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon x. So x is equal to 10. I'm getting x is equal to 10, and by solving this one, for M2 is equal to -5 also, M2 is equal to -5 is equal to also what is the equation? That will be also 2/x. So by solving this, I'm getting x is equal to -2 upon 5, right? So x is equal to -2 upon 5, and also x is equal to 2 upon 5. Okay, so -2/5, this coordinate will be -2/5. Okay, 2, and this will be 10. Okay, because y is equal to 2 na, so y coordinate will be 2, and x coordinate is -2/5, and y here x coordinate is 2, because it is present in negative side, it is present in positive side. Now we can easily find a dash, distance between a dash. Can find or not? So what is that? By taking it, you will get 52/5 units square. Sorry, unit. 52/5 unit. Clear? Okay, so answer is option C is the correct one. Sure. So bye bye. Take care, all of you. It's time to end your class here. Thank you all. Sure. Bye.